Hi! In our previous class, we discussed on how you can become a seller on FuseAutoCAD.com. Once again, my name is Omoyele Deborah. In this class, I will be guiding you on the step-by-step procedures on how you can set up a vendor account on FuseAutoCAD.com. Step 1. You click on the Become a Seller button and then log in with the details you used to register. Step 2. You select the plan and make necessary payments. You can also choose the free plan. Step 3. You tell us about your shop, like your shop name, the owner's full name, the country, like Nigeria, state, like Lagos State, the city, like Ikeja. Then, you give a brief shop description telling us about what you are selling. Step 4. You click on the terms and condition buttons. Afterwards, you submit your details. And that's it. The admin will verify your shop, and then afterwards, the verification, you can now add your product and start selling. Join us in our next class, and I will be guiding you on how to add your product on FuseAutoCAD.com. Thank you.